Today in this video I show you how to fix iPhone message notification sound not working. For this, the first thing you can check is do not disturb mode. Swipe down your screen and click on focus. Now if do not disturb is turned on, then you have to turn it off. Now the second thing you need to check is your silent mode. You can use this button above volume up and down button to turn off silent mode in your iPhone. Now if your do not disturb and silent mode is turned off and you're still having notification sound problem on Messages app, then you can try to make changes on notification section on Messages app. Open settings. Now open notification. Now scroll down to find messages and then click on messages. Now if your allow notification is disabled, then you have to enable it, and you can also open this sounds. Now if alert tones are selected on none, then you have to change it to the sound you like. Now if you're still having problem, then try to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your device will work properly. So this is how you can fix iPhone message notification sound not working. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.